Football now in action from the first round of the Jamaica Women's Premier League. Fraser's Whip blanked Los Perfectos 3-0, led by Chanel Spence, who scored a double. Spence scored in the 6th minute of first half added time. Well, she scored in the 6th minute and then in first half added time, while Christina Salmon added the third in the 50th minute. And Nadine Gordon-Brace led Wi-Fi United to a 2-0 win over Proven Girls. Gordon scored in the 15th and 51st minutes. In other results on the day, Springers clipped Mile Gully 1-0. It was a similar scoreline for Federal United against Real Mobay, and UWI Women's and Cavalier played out a 1-1 draw. In the late game, Arnett Gardens are leading Real Mona by 2-0.